Hi guys, here's Blue. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an Asian dish called Plov. So let's get started. Cut these onions and shred some carrots, and then I'll be using sliced beef loin for this. And then you need also rice. Okay, I'll show you how to make it. It's pretty easy. Okay, now that I have my carrots and my onions, carrots shredded, onions cut, you want to take 2 tablespoons of oil and put it in a pot. Have it on high, get that warmed up. So I put already the oil in here. Yeah, I don't know. While you wait, you can get your salt and pepper ready. There you go. Black pepper and salt. I know it says on here black pepper, but that's salt. I just put it in this container. And yeah. It should be hot enough, I think. Let's get a wooden spoon. Yeah, let's put it on 3, so medium. Let's get these onions started. There you go. Let's stir the onions. Let's get salt and pepper. There's my salt. Keep in mind there is rice also coming in, so don't do too much and don't do too less. I just always do it by the eye. Now let's do the black pepper. Good enough. And then yeah, let's stir it. And then we'll just wait till the onions get golden and brown. And then we're going to add our meat soon. But we have to wait for that yet. Okay, well, let's wait for it. Once the onions are brown enough-ish, for me it looks enough-ish, then just add your beef. Once your beef looks like this, you can add the shredded carrots. There you go, I added all the carrots, and I do 1 cup of rice, because we love our rice. And then add water. And then stir it all. I'll be right back. There you go. And if you need, you should add more water. So the rice is in the water. That should be good. Okay. Now make sure you put it on high again. Close the lid. Wait till it starts boiling, like simmer. Yeah, boiling. And then put on simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it just started to boil, as you can see. Still have it on high because I really want to wait till it's on boiling, but okay, so it just started boiling. I have it on high. I'm gonna put it down to maybe 2, and I'm just gonna let that cook for 20 minutes, and then I'm just gonna let it sit for half an hour to an hour, because the longer you let it sit, the better it tastes. I'll be back to show you once it's okay. There you go, the food is done. And now I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit, then I'm gonna eat. Well, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe for more.